This is our 75-ton Dake H frame press. It's 44 inches from left to right in between the uprights. This machine is fitted with a 3 horsepower electric hydraulic pump for actuating the ram. Give you a quick look. Pressure gauge, head with a screw to raise and lower your ram besides the adjustment. The head also can move left and right. Bed. You've got the cable winch and original handle. Here's the hydraulic unit. Bring her back. I'm going to actuate. You'll see the ram come down. And that's our Dake 75-ton hydraulic press. Thank you for watching.